Hello everyone, welcome back to Trishanish Handmade. Today we are going to make heart-shaped pouch. I have taken the pattern with width 6 inches and length 6.5, 7.5, 5 and 2 inches from top to bottom. Materials required: main fabric, lining, sponge with measurement 10 by 8, fabric for handle 10 by 2, zipper 6 inches. In place of sponge, we can use felt, cloth fusing, or canvas. You can make big or small pouches by making change in the pattern measurement. Here we are attaching the zipper at the center of front panel. Let's get started with the cutting of the back panel. Keep sponge, lining fabric and main fabric one above the other. Place the heart pattern on this. Secure with the beaded pins so that we can cut the fabrics easily. Now cut the pinned fabric in the shape of heart pattern. We have finished the cutting of back panel and here we have 3 pieces. Let's start the cutting of front panel. Fold the heart pattern and place it on the folded main fabric. Secure it with beaded pins. Cut the main fabric as shown in the video with the help of scissor. Remove the heart pattern and cut the heart-shaped main fabric so we will get 2 pieces. Now take the lining fabric and sponge, place it on one above the other. Keep the cut pieces of main fabric and cut lining and the sponge. Here we got 2 sets of 3 pieces of front panel. Make sure that we have all the cut fabrics before start stitching. Take the handle piece and double fold it as I am doing in the video and secure it with the clip. I am going to stitch the handle piece first. Take sponge and main fabric of back panel and secure it with the pin. Similarly, repeat the same for the front panel 2 pieces. Attach the sponge with the main fabric by stitching in the border with the seam allowance of 0.5 cm for all the 3 pieces. We have finished the stitching of back panel and 2 pieces of front panel. Let's attach the zipper to the front panel. Keep the zipper on one part of the main fabric such that the runner faces right side of the main fabric. Place the lining fabric on it such that right side of lining fabric faces towards the right side of main fabric and secure it with beaded pins. Stitch the main fabric, zipper and the lining and make sure that the zipper is attached properly. Here we can see the zipper is present in between the lining and the main fabric. Bring lining fabric and main fabric to one side and give a top stitch on the main fabric. Cut the extra threads and the fabric. Take second part of the front panel and place it on the zipper. Make sure that right side of first and second part of front panel faces together. Place the lining fabric on the zipper so that the right side of this lining piece should be facing towards the right side of the stitched lining fabric. Stitch it as we did earlier. Once done, top stitch the second piece as we did for the first piece of front panel. Cut the extra zip. Let's keep the main fabric of back panel on the front panel so that the right sides face each other. I have placed the lining on top and secured with the beaded pins. Stitch the back panel and front panel all together with a seam allowance of 0.5 cm all along the heart shape. Cut the excess fabric and thread to get the neat finish. Open the zipper and turn the pouch inside out. Now we have a lovely Valentine Day special heart-shaped pouch to carry with us. We can use this pouch to carry keys or currencies.